Hey everyone, so this is going to be general slash reading that I do for you. I hope that you all are doing fine. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. You may email me, Gmail me at messages at the to book private readings or for any inquiry regarding anything that you wish to know, or direct message me and further we proceed from Instagram. Every link is available. You may support the channel. I highly appreciate it because it does help me and my channel. And what? And hit bell icon definitely. Hype, comment, like, share everything. Um, Buy and yeah, via PayPal and all that. I don't want to forget the message. Don't. Someone is thinking continuously about you even while they're working. So when they're working, they're distracted every now and then. I'm not saying that they're not doing the work, but they are getting distracted because they are thinking about you. Mhm. Someone is lying to themselves. Self. So someone is lying to self because about about liking you. They need to first be sure with self that what is that is going on with them. What is that they should confess, and they're not doing it. They're like, maybe they're trying to feel like I'm going to play this thing and will figure this out from this person. But you're not even making any move, right? Because you know the reality because your intuition is working great, but the problem is they are not doing what they are supposed to do. Okay, so Ace of Cups is on the top. So what I said, that they're lying to self about their feelings, not accepting, and they might be feeling that, she'll say this or he'll say this, can go vice versa. Some of you, I'm seeing pentacles. So maybe this person you work with, or you work in a team with, or you may be the leader and they're in your team, or you could be vice versa. Or just in office, you work, different departments possible sometimes, maybe even different floors. So that's why I said different departments, different floors, but big organization possible. And maybe you just see each other every day. And possibility is that they know that you notice and you know that they notice and you notice, but the thing is in them, they need to come clear because someone over here ain't making a move. And I do feel like it's you. Maybe you're not making a move because you feel like, if they come, they turn, you're going to listen to them as well because you're such a person. Okay. Yes. Let me see what is coming. Letter G could be letter G for goat, could be someone's name, something is connected with work, some organization's name, possible someone's name is what I'm hearing is Garima. So this could be, it's an Indian name. So letter G, Garima, Garima, could be listening to me, you might be dealing with the one. Sometimes it does hit very strong because when I'm channeling, I pick up the names, English, Hindi, anything, whatever comes. I'm not planning that. Sometimes, you know, person from my own country, 0333 recording time, person from my own country said, oh, you don't pick on Indian names. I do, darling, but you are not consistent. You need to be like, focus. You need to reach, you need to listen, you need to be consistent. There are people who are connected with me on this channel like from years. The time, I'm not saying that they're not busy, but they make a priority, and even if they're busy, they do come every now and then, right? So it's everyone is busy, yeah, everyone is working. They have seen me my growth and everything, and that's the difference. The card flipped. Whew. Now, there's a Six of Swords that came through. So, definitely, you're transitioning, you're changing, you're traveling mentally, and possible even real time travel, physical. But emotional travel, I can see you are changing your route, whatever you say, you're changing your pathway, you're emotionally entering in a phase of soothing aura, but also this is someone's emotional approach to you as well. Now, we'll see what is going to happen. Yeah, someone is going to approach. And I do see here very strong that whoever here is like feeling, basically not accepting, like not claiming, we say, right? They're not claiming it, like they're not accepting it that they like you. And so it's okay if they want to be sure about self first, that I like her, I like him, right? Vice versa. But I see here kind of energy where this person, this male energy, I see his masculine energy working, sitting there, and sometimes they do peekaboo. Okay, they look, and and then they like, they want to like, "Mm-mm, I never saw you, I never, no, but they're doing it. So it's something that is that, have you heard about that, the first impact is the strongest? So it's like either it happened and it's becoming difficult for this person to accept the fact, the truth, that yes, I'm thinking about. Yes, I'm thinking about. So they're thinking about you, okay? So, and whoever this person is, I also want to give some, things about. They love travel, or they love moving or going out sometimes, maybe even near water or beaches if it makes sense, if it's there, or near a combo of mountains also there. Not going all the time, but maybe they like hiking, maybe. So they're a nature lover as well, and it's not just like just sitting there. They love like stuff like hiking and all that stuff, or going into water, or possible surfing, or just going in, um, you know, this, whatever this word is for this. So sometimes I don't remember the words, and then it may go haywire. So it's okay. Let's see what is coming. So whoever is here, um, I'm hearing thoughts of you chases them. That's what I heard. I should write this in title. Thoughts of you chases them, or thoughts of you chasing them. It's also the process. You see the signal here, okay? So basically, it's like this because I drew like this. So you need to see this is going to grow. Let's see the card together with you. Okay, I think it's nice. Five of Swords is reversed, which is good. Now, I do feel like the transition of this person, or transition that they are going through in their life, this could be challenging for them because first it's like the impact. You see this, the first impact on a dragonfly, boom, okay, and now but it's reversed. So someone is trying to balance this stuff out, and they don't want to be with someone, and same goes for you. Someone, they don't want to be with someone only to be with someone. You understand? It's not that. They want to be with someone in order to enjoy. So they don't want self. Um, if they are feeling empty or they being lonely, they don't want to give that to someone, and goes vice versa. Even you don't want. Like first, you should be what we say. We should be, full with self first of all. Like, we can love ourselves. Alone time, enjoying alone time. Just because we are disappointed or we are f up with people or even family sometimes, or relatives or work, we run to people who are good with energy, right? This is not with this person. It's like they know their piece, and they know their box, and they know their play, room, and they know how to enjoy stuff like that. I want to say, like people who know how to enjoy with self, if they enter, like they are the addition, they are there to have a good growth. And I feel like same like you people enjoy your life, like you people enjoy your time, okay? That's very important. It's so weird. And I'm not making it up, of course. I've been channeling. I felt as if, I don't see it now, but I felt for a second, like just like 2-1. I felt as if like white, smoky something. It's nothing here. But I know their presence is always there because they channel via me. So I know. So I feel like your time is going to be relaxed, especially when you're moving and transitioning into something good. You see, like you're leaving behind all the thoughts and f situations. Basically, I don't say it much on camera. I just don't want, but you know what I mean by f. So fuc, so you're just putting it aside because our life does get chaotic and messy and things like that, right? Let's see what is coming. You've become a good warrior, darling. You've become a good I want to use the word fighter. You have become a good fighter. Okay, you know how to handle your situations, you know how to mm, move away from them, you know how to take a break, um, and you do whatever is good for you. Some of you are cutting emotional ties that included nonsense and nonsense people as well. What is coming in future? Okay. Look, your energy is sitting or entering into a phase where you have no hurry, first of all, and you don't want chaos. That's why your Five of Swords is reversed. You have like zero expectations, I mean to say, from people. It's null, okay, in ULL. It's a negative, and that is why you are all right with yourself. Now, you are entering into a phase where you're not in any sort of hurry, or you don't want to be cold even, because you know how to be neutral now. Okay, you have learned this art of not to be rude with anyone, and it's like you know that it can work in a neutral way as well. Okay, just to be telling you, you have the Chariot. Cancerian could be, and this is general rate, right? So could be a listener or dealer, but Chariot is where you are heading. You see this? You're heading. Like in the first card as well, you are heading with thoughts, with anything, okay? And now also I'm hearing like you're not compensating with anything now. Like you know what you want, you know what you deserve, you know where you're heading. So that's a great thing for you as well. And Chariot is like a major decision of your life. It's a real time move, real time travel, real time shift. Okay. Yes, I can tell you that. 12 recording time. So this is really like one portal is closing, or one door is closing. So you're entering into another door, opening, and you have a new life or something like that that you want. So what I feel like here, you're leaving hollow things, hollow places, and empty places as well in real time. Okay, you're entering somewhere where you can decide what is your, like, this is a better and a good decision. Okay, now when I connect this with certain person here, because I said that they're thinking and they are distracted, but just like they're lying to self about emotions. So what I see here is like you are moving, and you know where to go. So basically, this person is going to do the follow up because they would love to connect with you. So you are not waiting for anyone. So they come around, and when they decide, this is not your energy. And the second card is Queen of Swords, connected. Two cards fell. So this is about someone who's going to have a same moment with you. That's what I see. Could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a listener or dealer. But you also have some healing, like you have some warm and healing energy in yourself. And which is why someone is coming around, and they are going to turn towards you. Okay. And this is like healing, like a equal to energy, where this person is also going to heal you. I do feel that, because it's giving me, especially, I feel like this is very nice energy of a same moment. Like you're not picking yourself up, you're relaxed, you've reached somewhere, you're sitting there, there's no need to hurry. And so you're there, and this person is going to approach. I do feel this person is going to approach, and they are going to come around, and they're going to talk with you, and you'll be listening. You're not a rude person, not even cold, I'm telling you, but you are with your words. Do you see that you're neutral? A good listener, first of all. This is what I see in the future, because someone is definitely, this is top card, someone is Six of Wands, someone is coming, like this for me, this is also a card of lover coming home or good news coming home. You won in life, basically, no matter what you went through. Okay, but you won. That is the most important thing in your life. So whoever is coming your way as well, okay, because you deserve it. So you're manifesting something very nice. Okay, those are the messages for you. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.